Today we're checking out this 1967 Camaro Restomod. This 1967 Camaro is one of the sharpest looking cars on our lot today. And probably the best sounding too.
I'm in love with this one.
It's awesome.
Isn't it sweet?
Very sweet. Love the Lamborghini Pearl Orange. Gorgeous color. Too bad it's not sunny today because it looks even better out in the sun. But the best thing with it is the drivetrain underneath the hood. Mildly built LS with a ton of power. 4L60E, 4-speed automatic transmission backing this engine up. Transmission's got a little shift kit in it. I'm excited to drive it though, because from what I heard from the text, it's very fast.
Yeah, it's a good looking car.
Headers, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Just a sweet ride. Love what they did with the engine compartment as well, just show quality underneath the hood.
Definitely, and we'll get into the trunk. I don't know if you'll grab the keys once, Dalt. Let's go right to the trunk after this. But the firewall, just what a professional restoration. Inside and out, not only an awesome engine transplant, just a beautiful jam work as well. Bottom of the hood, just as nice as the rest of the car. Serpentine belt system, cold air conditioning.
Little history on the restoration. Restoration was a body off restoration, pro touring style, done in 2017. Previous owner said it's only got about 4,000 miles on the build, which is perfect miles. You get it broke in that way. He just last summer took it on a tour of Nebraska, about a 1,000-mile trek across and around the state of Nebraska. He said the car performed awesome and he had no issues with it.
Front disc brakes on it. The gaps are awesome up here in the front. Back of the hood lines up nice. I love the Super Sport hood, but this is what I wanted to talk about. Look at the quality of the restoration. Look at that.
Yeah, very nice.
The trunk is gorgeous. Engine bay is beautiful. I mean, if you're looking for a near perfect 1967 Camaro and you want something with all the modern comforts, 4-speed automatic, tons of power, fuel injection, air conditioning, you can't beat the color. Dual exhaust comes back so nice, right? Like it should. And it looks like a 2.5, 2 3/4 exhaust. Wheel and tire combination's great. Paint and body throughout the whole car is just gorgeous. I love the deluxe interior.
Correct.
I love the deluxe interior. The paint on the top of the door panels is beautiful.
Another really neat thing with this interior is it has a factory fold-down rear seat, which I've only seen in one other 67 Camaro.
That was that convertible.
Yep.
That we had that in it. We're gonna have to move our videos to the inside here pretty quick, inside the showroom, Dalt. It's getting pretty dang cold.
Oh, no snow yet, but it is damn cold.
I love the floor mats as well. It's got the Super Sport floor mats. Paint in the door jamb is just as nice as the rest of the car. Somebody's gonna get a great one here, Dalton.
It's cocky. That color's, not many Camaros painted in this color and it's awesome. Previous owner had 3 of them this color.
No way.
A 7, 8, and 9.
He also had a lot of money, it sounds like.
Yeah.
What a collection, huh? Bottom of the door fits good. I love the Riddler wheels. What a great choice. 18s on the back, some real nice meats there. Nothing really to talk about as far as imperfections. It got a little tiny little chip here in the paint that's been touched up in the bottom of the door. Other than that, bottom of the fenders, rockers are awesome. Let's get the heat going, huh?
Yeah.
All the rubbers, all the felts, top of the door panel paint, door panels themselves. I mean, just absolutely mint. I love the deluxe interior with that white stripe in there. It just really goes well with the paint color.
It's beautiful.
Windows go up and down nice, don't they?
Yeah, if I can keep my hand on the handle, I'm shivering.
It's cold.
I like the Grant steering wheel too.
Well, really, and the tilt wheel, I mean, if you're a bigger guy, the car fits really good as well. Check this out a minute and see.
It does have a retro sound radio, and with that you get like your aux port where you can connect right to your phone and play music. Vintage air.
Oh, there. Works good.
We need some heat today.
The heat works. Temperature gauge works. It's about 130 right now. Oil pressure is at 45. Tack works. Gas gauge works. We're at 3/4 of a tank, and it's charging right at 14 volts. 3,195 miles, so 3,200 miles on the bill, Dalton. So about the Nebraska tour, I think you said 4,000. It's about
no, 1,000 was the Nebraska tour, but the guy said it had roughly 4,000 on the build.
Gotcha. Horn works, heater works, wipers work, air works. I mean, it's just ready to go.
It is.
I personally had a 2010 Camaro that I bought brand new. It was my first new car that I could afford. Got bored of it. It was dark shadow gray. Got bored of it, and we took it out. We had it at the body shop here and took it all apart and painted it Lamborghini Pearl.
I remember that. That car was awesome.
Every piece was taken apart. So pretty much the same car. You know, that was obviously the LS version of a new car. So
that's a good color.
I loved it. Absolutely loved it. Speedometer works perfect as well.
Yep. 4-speed auto.
Steer's absolutely perfect.
Headliner's really nice too. There's not a wrinkle in the headliner.
It's really nice. Rear sail panels are awesome. Brakes are perfect. No pull left or right.
It's a really well built car.
Yeah. Just taking that 1,000-mile trip on it, like you said, it tells it everything about it. Should we just see if it's got a little power?
Let's do it. I would say it's got some power. It's still spinning them.
What about the sound?
Oh, it sounds great. It sounds like a modern muscle car.
Holy smokes. So this is 80. A little tire rub when we hit that in the back, just a little bit when you hit that big bump.
And it's got
the
those
steering
big,
is perfect.
Yeah, got those big Riddler wheels on it. Dude, this thing's awesome.
Yeah, that was 92 right there. And it's just so tight. It drives just like my 2010 Camaro. It really does.
Yeah.
Here's your brakes at high speeds. I still smell the tires just a little bit.
Yeah, he roasted them there for a good
second or two.
Yeah. This thing's pretty wicked.
So yeah, that would be the only thing I noticed at all, just that little bit of tire rub when you hit a bump.
And they're not doing it right here on a sharp corner.
No. We'll check that out when we get back. But man, wow. Sometimes you have to sacrifice that a little bit.
Exactly. If you want the big tires, which make the car, sometimes you'll get if you hit a bump at 85 mile an hour, you might have a little rub. Damn, it puts you right back in your seat. Nice shift.
Wow, great shift. That was 80 again. Not fast, guys. And it's just, everything is so tight. What a build, what a car. Check this one out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. I mean, if you're looking for a new Camaro, but you want something with just that old school look, this is it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.